Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on a Google Play Store for Cubot Max Free. So in order to do this, let's open up our Google Play Store. Here we can try finding Call of Duty. But there's no real results for the game that we're looking for. So now go back, click on your profile picture, move to the settings, then family, reveal parental controls, and now make sure that parental controls are either disabled or go for apps and games. And here that PG is at least set for the 16. Make sure to save the setting afterwards. And now if we go back for the games and find Call of Duty again, it should be right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.